Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Nvidia's Q3 results send stocks tumbling, while the CDC warns of a looming spike in COVID and flu cases. Retail giants Target, Walmart, and Costco face market pressure as Target's profit guidance surprises investors ahead of the holiday season. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac stocks take a hit following KBW's downgrade to market perform. MicroStrategy announces an upsized $2.6 billion convertible debt offering, while ZIM Integrated Shipping Services declares a total dividend payout of $3.65 per share. Bitcoin reaches new heights after IBIT options debut, and Trump media experiences the largest increase in short interest for October. Stay tuned after this short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Nvidia's shares fell by 3.5% in after-hours trading, even though the company exceeded third-quarter expectations with $35.08 billion in revenue, marking a 94% increase from the previous year. For the next quarter, Nvidia projects revenue of $37.5 billion, slightly above what analysts predicted. The company notes strong demand for AI but expects supply constraints for its Blackwell and Hopper products to continue into fiscal 2026.
The CDC warns of an increase in respiratory viruses, including COVID-19 and flu, as the holiday season approaches. Activity typically peaks from December to February. The agency recommends vaccinations from companies like Pfizer, Moderna, and GSK to effectively combat these viruses.
Target Corporation faced investor backlash after reporting lower-than-expected third-quarter profits and issuing a cautious holiday forecast. The retailer, based in Minneapolis, saw comparable sales rise by only 0.3% for the quarter, resulting in early trading losses for its stock.
Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac stocks dropped significantly after Keefe, Bruyette, and Woods downgraded them to market perform because of dilution risks. Analyst Bose George believes privatization might be part of Trump's plans but acknowledges it faces obstacles. Both companies require substantial capital, with preferred shares considered safer investments.
MicroStrategy has raised its private offering to $2.6 billion in convertible senior notes due December 1, 2029, up from $1.75 billion. These notes can be converted into cash or shares and will support Bitcoin purchases and corporate needs. MicroStrategy stock increased by 5% in pre-market trading on Wednesday.
ZIM Integrated Shipping Services announces a quarterly dividend of $2.81 per share and a special dividend of 84 cents, totaling $3.65 per share. The total payout amounts to $440 million, with shares rising 7% due to strong earnings and increased guidance. Earnings per share reached $9.34, exceeding expectations by $2.29, while revenue surpassed forecasts by $360 million, reaching $2.77 billion.
Bitcoin surged to a record $94,600, driven by options trading linked to BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. The Securities and Exchange Commission highlighted these options as tools for managing Bitcoin exposure. Ethereum rose 0.7%, while Cardano jumped 15%. Bitcoin-related stocks also saw gains, with MicroStrategy up 7.4%.
In October, Trump Media and Technology and Lucid Group had the largest increase in short interest. In contrast, Expand Energy Corporation and Pilgrim's Pride saw the biggest decreases. Overall, short interest for individual stocks is below historical averages across most sectors, according to Goldman Sachs' hedge fund Trend Monitor.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights to fuel your financial journey. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.